How to make pumpkin spice latte, PSL 2020 recipe. Hi friends, we're gonna make the easiest pumpkin spice latte recipe homemade from your home. A special thank you to Miss Lizzy Thyroid Support and Iodine Support for sponsoring today's video. Did you know that 1 in 8 women has a thyroid disorder? Check out the link down below to go to Miss Lizzy to learn more about their thyroid support products that they do have with iodine and other thyroid support products to help with thyroid disorders. I highly recommend them and have been taking their products personally for the past 18 months, and it has been life-changing for my thyroid, and I highly recommend it to viewers. Of course, always check with your doctor before taking any new supplements, but literally their iodine support has been so helpful for my body that I wanted to make sure I shared it with viewers, because you can easily add this into your PSL, your pumpkin spice latte recipe. It's really simple to get your iodine in with your morning coffee. So first, what you're going to do for your PSL, your pumpkin spice latte, is you're going to brew some coffee. Go ahead and pour your coffee into your cup. I like having a big old glass of that coffee, full strength diesel coffee. Get you a full cup of coffee going. And then what you're going to go ahead and do is take your Miss Lizzy's Thyroid Support, your iodine. You're going to go ahead, and I put 2 drops of the iodine into my cup, but of course check with your own doctor for your own amount of how much you'd want to put in your coffee. But I add 2 drops of the iodine into my coffee. And then I'm going to take a frother. I will link down below the frother that I do have, but it's really simple. 1, 2, that's the dosage for myself, but again, do your own dosage. I'm going to add my Omega PowerCreamer. It's the grass-fed ghee. It's a pumpkin spice flavoring that they do have that has MCT oil and coconut oil, because this is the pumpkin spice healthy version. I'm putting in a tablespoon of that Omega PowerCreamer. I'm using my frother. I will link both of those down below, in addition to the Miss Lizzy Thyroid Support Iodine down below. And they do have that Miss Lizzy in pill format or in liquid format, depending on how you like to ingest supplements. Literally, I just froth it for 2 minutes, and then I add in there my heavy whipping cream, another tablespoon of that, because I do like to make this pumpkin spice latte frothy. This is how it makes it really frothy, is with the heavy whipping cream and your frother. Froth that for 2 minutes and look at all that foam it's making. Make sure your frother is near the top of your coffee cup and kind of bounce your frother in and out to make sure that it gets really whipped. And that's how you get that delicious frothy top part for your pumpkin spice latte. It really has good pumpkin spice flavoring. You could add some nutmeg into this or some actual pumpkin spice into it to add it some extra flavoring, but that Omega PowerCreamer tastes so good, and you can't even tell with the Miss Lizzy's iodine in there. You can't even tell, so it's adding extra health benefits into the PSL. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, click subscribe, and check out Miss Lizzy Thyroid Support down in the description link below. Bye friends!